How to set up the PlayAssure to work. This is how you fix PlayAssure, folks. Education. PlayAssure is to help with the Bell 5 TV box. This is how to fix the Bell 5 TV box if your Bell 5 TV stops working. Here's how to fix it, folks. So you have to go through these tests. And then there's pending. So right now it's at 95%. Is that good? It has to get up to 100%. Then it will work. It's not at 100 yet. We got a few hours to do. Well, let it do its test. I hope this works. I'm fixing it. So, yeah, you can fix it. It's blinking. That's good. That's a good sign. That's a really good sign. When it blinks like that, that's. Why is it still at 95? Well, we can't do much about this. Let's hope this gets fixed. This is ridiculous. I'm not gonna sit and wait all fucking day for this to work. Okay, sorry about this. It's taking an awful long time. Let's try HD. See what happened. Now, guys, I had this. I have to press OK and then select. Well, look, here's what happens after you fix it. Now, that may be annoying, but it's only for a while. Let's hope this works. Oh, no, it's gone back. So, 100%. 'll find this annoying, so. Sorry, folks. Here's how to watch a YouTube video So I'm going to watch my rented movie, folks. Here's how to choose your rented movie and how to rewind your rented movie. This is my rented movie, folks. That's the movie I was doing a conspiracy theory on. So far, what's his name? Alex Gates is in trouble. He meets Vic, who is a jewel thief. Here's how it begins, folks. All right.